Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App. So in order to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is follow the instructions as guided. Now to begin with, first thing first, check your internet connection and then open up or log into your Cash App account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page that looks something like this. Now in order to buy and sell Bitcoin on Cash App, all you have to do is make sure that you have enough funds. Only then you'll be able to do this procedure. Here, to buy and sell Bitcoin, tap the B button located in the bottom right hand side corner. Next page is going to take you to the interface that'll look something like this. So from here you need to select Bitcoin, and once you select Bitcoin, you also need to be specific whether you are buying or selling Bitcoin. So if you're buying Bitcoin, then tap the buy button, and similarly if you're selling Bitcoin, tap the sell button. So after that, the procedure is going to remain the same. That is, all you have to do is enter the amount of Bitcoin that you're selling or that you are buying, and after that you need to click the confirm button. As soon as you do that, it's going to ask you to enter in the payment method if you are actually buying it. For selling procedure, you might be asked to enter in or provide in the information of your bank details so that the funds could be added directly into your bank account. After you've done that, confirm all of the details. As soon as you do that, you've successfully confirmed or that you've successfully or sold Bitcoin on Cash App. So in this way you can do the procedure. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.